Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you took part in the first phase of the ClownCat quiz game on the Ton blockchain, you know it was a huge success. Well, here is the exciting part. The phase 2 is happening this Friday, October 10th at 10 o'clock AM UTC and is bigger and better. This is your chance to win free Ton tokens just for answering quiz questions correctly. No trading, no staking, no lending, just pure fun rewards and a way to start your Ton journey without spending a fortune. And the best part is, ClownCat has a strong dedicated community that is making this even more exciting. Okay, so for those that don't know about ClownCat Coin, is a community-driven meme coin on the Ton blockchain that is bringing something different to crypto. A fun, rewarding quiz game designed to reward knowledge and early involvement. The first phase showed huge engagement and the winners got real rewards and it has been sent to their individual wallets. Now the phase 2 is your chance to join the fun. So like I said before, while everyone chase hype on Ethereum, Solana, BNB and other blockchains, Ton is quietly building one of the fastest, cheapest and most user-friendly ecosystem in crypto. And the Ton blockchain is still early, meaning this is a perfect time to explore, especially with something like the CCAT quiz game giving you risk-free entry points. So if you want to know how the quiz works, this is the idea. You will answer quiz questions, very simple questions. Winners get Ton token as reward directly into their Ton wallet. So it's designed to bring more people into the Ton ecosystem and reward those paying attention. If you want to join the quiz game, here is what you need to do. The first thing you need to do is to go to your Play Store. If you don't have a Ton wallet before now, you head over to your Play Store. Then when you get to your Play Store, the next thing you need to do is to type Tonkeeper, just like this one. When you type Tonkeeper, you click on open. In order not to confuse you, I'll be dropping the link to download the right wallet in the description so you don't download the wrong app. So once you finish downloading and installing your wallet, you click on open. Once it opens, proceed to fund your wallet with at least 0.1 Ton. That's like 27 cents. A very tiny amount. It's not even up to $1. So the next thing you need to do after funding your wallet is to follow ClownCat Coin's official X handle, that is former Twitter, and their Telegram, so you don't miss out the quiz announcement links. I don't know where the questions should be coming from, but try to check their website to know more about the project and know what they're building on. I'll be dropping all the links you need about this project in the description, so do well to check them out. So the venue for the quiz is CCAT Twitter Space. The phase 2 of the ClownCat quiz is coming this Friday, October 10th at 10 o'clock AM UTC. Get your Ton wallets ready, follow ClownCat channels, and be there for your quiz to get free tokens. This isn't just a quiz, it's a golden opportunity to get your first token on the Ton blockchain if you are still new, to engage with a passionate community, then potentially win free crypto with almost no cost. Learn about Ton and upcoming meme coins early. And with Ton low fee, your participation cost is almost nothing. That's why phase 2 is worth your time. Now let me guide you on what you need to do to get yourself prepared. When you attend the space on their X, there is former Twitter, when the question is being asked, go to Tonkeeper, click on Ton like this. This is my Tonkeeper, then click on Ton. Once you click on Ton this way, then you click on send. When you click on send, then you paste CCAT game wallet address. It will be dropped, I think it will be dropped on the Twitter space that day. You click on paste. Then on this amount section, you proceed to type 0.1 Ton. Then on this comment section is where you type the answer to the question that is being asked. Please take note. The question that is being asked on their Twitter space, you proceed to type your answer here. Once you type your answer here, you click on continue. When you click on continue, then they will tell you to confirm. Then you click on confirm, and that's all. Please make sure you send within the required time frame, because they will be picking the very first 5 winners. So please mark the date and time. Clown cats are coming. This is basically a no-risk way to earn free tokens while learning and having fun. Projects like this often give early supporters a big advantage down the line, and since turn fees are super cheap, you are not spending much to participate. So if you have been curious about turn or just want to try your luck at winning some free ClownCat tokens, this quiz game is the perfect chance. I will leave all the official links in the description, so you stay safe and don't fall for fake ones. Don't sleep on this. Get your Ton wallet ready, follow the updates and jump in. Who knows, your right answers could turn into real rewards. Stay tuned and let's see who the quiz champions will be. In my next video, I will be sharing more Ton tokens and meme coins that I believe have strong potentials. So make sure to like this video, subscribe and turn on the notification bell. That way you won't miss any of the upcoming gems.